We have so many ways that we make use of these akara edemede, and I've been doing justice to that in my previous videos. So today I'll be talking about another type of akara edemede, which is akara po rekom. Akara po rekom. Akara po rekom in in English language is semicolon. Semicolon. In my manner used to be, I'll be using Igbo and English to explain this particular topic in details for you to understand. We call it code switching and code mixing of Igbo and English language. I am doing this because of the non-speakers and those that doesn't understand Igbo language, so that they will follow and also understand what I'm saying. So anything I say in English language is also what I'm repeating in Igbo language. Thank you very much. Remember, I said that we are discussing about akara po rekom, which is semicolon. Semicolon shows a brief pause while reading a sentence or paragraph. It indicates that there is a brief pause. Whenever you are reading and you see a semicolon, you also have to show that there is a semicolon mark while reading it. How do you show? You show by pausing briefly before you continue. You don't start another word after semicolon with capital letter. It is not a full stop that after reading and pausing, a brief pausing, not a long pausing. You know, in full stop, that one is long pausing, but this one is brief pausing. In this brief pausing, when you want to start another word, you don't start it with a capital letter. You start with your normal small letter to continue. Examples of this semicolon. What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? Am I owing you? What are you doing in my house? Am I owing you? This is an example. That place that you are seeing that semicolon, it shows that there is a brief pausing. While reading it, I did a brief pausing before I continued. Am I owing you? We have so many other examples. So